I'll raise my hand and say I did not know that was possible. But we need to all be aware that these attack vectors are we don't know what they are. It is every time I talk to security experts, I realize I am not a security expert. I cannot comprehend some of these ways that they maneuver stuff. Ted goes on to write in his post, most of my gaming takes place on either my desktop machine or my mobile devices. I have a specific device that I'll connect to a work network like email, Slack, Teams, whatever, corporate assets that you're reaching, that I'm comfortable with the company remote wiping if necessary. If your company detects a breach, they're going to want to wipe resources. Do you want your own personal data on that machine if that's the situation? Are you willing to take that risk on? And then he goes on to say, if necessary, if they need to wipe it if necessary, and it's not the device that has a phone number that my friends call me at. I have a laptop that I use for my personal work development, and I will never present at a conference from a work laptop unless it's an internal work conference. That's a pretty staunch position there, because the other thing is when you go to a tech conference, that's not your network. That's not your company's network unless your company is hosting the event. That is somebody else's network, probably. And it's even if you're going to a hotel, hotels may have some element of security. I wouldn't bet the farm on that. But a lot of times for tech events, they actually pay a provider to come in and stand up a special network.